Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show beautiful Mother's Day special bottle art. It's gonna be so easy. First I will put white acrylic color on the base of the bottle. Now I did cut two round shape paper and then will put pink acrylic color on the bottle. And see how I am using the paper here. Here on the other paper I did draw a cute mother and baby picture and I will directly stick it on the bottle. In this way it gonna be so easy. Here one more tips. If you get difficulty to draw, then you can print out and directly put it on the bottle. Now I will randomly draw some flowers and twigs around the picture. Here all the colors I am using is acrylic color which is easily available on the market. Here to decorate the bottle I did use some leaves and did leaves painting. Then draw some flowers to give it a different look. See how I am doing it. Keep watching what I am doing now. And that's it. Now by using a pen, I will wish all the mother Happy Mother's Day to all. I tried this in very easy way so anyone can make this and surprise their mother and make their day very special. And here my easy bottle art is ready. Hope you will like it. Thank you for watching, and if you are a new viewer on my channel then do subscribe my channel to get notification and do like and share.